Nitrogen-driven foam water spray system. Operation and fire suppression sequence. The nitrogen-driven foam water spray system combines the advantages of foam extinguishing and water spray cooling. By using nitrogen cylinders to pressurize the foam concentrate tank, the foam solution is discharged through the piping network to the nozzles, generating foam water spray. This provides cooling, smothering, emulsification, and separation effects for flammable liquid fires, enabling rapid extinguishment. Main system components: foam concentrate tank, sectional control valves, nitrogen driving cylinders, pilot cylinder, pressure reducing device, check valves, fire detection and control system, foam water spray nozzles, piping network. The system may be equipped with linear heat detection cable, flame detectors, or manual pull stations transmitting signals to the fire alarm control panel. The FACP shall verify signals from different detection channels to avoid false activation. When a fire occurs, the fire detector sends a fire alarm signal to the fire alarm control panel. The fire alarm control panel activates audible and visual alarms to alert personnel to evacuate. It may also interlock to shut down related process equipment. After fire confirmation, the fire alarm control panel outputs an activation signal to open the sectional control valve. Simultaneously, the signal activates the pilot cylinder, which releases the nitrogen driving cylinders. High-pressure nitrogen is regulated through the pressure-reducing device before entering the foam tank, forcing the foam solution into the piping network. The foam solution is discharged through nozzles and mixed with air to form a foam water spray that blankets the hazard area. The foam achieves cooling, smothering, emulsification, and separation, suppressing flames and preventing vapor release or reignition. Application density and discharge duration shall comply with NFPA 11/16 requirements.